I took an unfinished wood canvas, painted the entire thing black. I went into Cricut Design Space and created the Easter Bunny Israel design, which I cut out with my Cricut. And then I weeded the whole thing, which is a little hard to see because it was white on white. I added transfer tape and carefully peeled it off of the backing paper and put it onto the wood canvas and burnished it down. I carefully removed the transfer tape, which was difficult with the delicate whiskers and the carrots, but it worked. And it looks great, but that's not what I was going for, so I painted over everything with black to seal the edges of the vinyl. Then I painted everything with a combo of white and gray, let it dry, peeled off the vinyl. I roughed up the edges with some sandpaper and then put a little matte varnish on it. There it is. I absolutely love it. It looks just as good as anything you could buy at a specialty shop, but the price is a fraction of the cost. For the next project, I took a terracotta pot and painted it white. Then I took some pink acrylic paint and made rosy cheeks. I took white craft foam and drew and cut out bunny ears, and I did the same with pink craft foam for the inner ears and the triangle nose. I glued the inner ears to the white outer ears and also glued on oversized Google eyes, the nose, the ears, and then I took a Sharpie marker, made the nose holes, drew the mouth, and added some whiskers. Really easy. And now I have the cutest bunny pot. For this project, I cut bunny ears out of craft foam, painted the inner ears with acrylic paint, poured fast curing resin that cures white into a coaster mold, held in the bunny ears. It cured, but not quite as white as I wanted, so then I ended up painting it with some acrylic paint anyway. Then I took acrylic paint and did the eyes with some eyelashes and the nose and the mouth and some buck teeth and whiskers. Gave the teeth a little extra whitening. Super cute. Then I domed the whole thing with some more clear resin, popped the bubbles with my lighter, and I have the cutest drink coaster ever. I used a coconut and painted it yellow. Then I had concrete snowmen that I painted orange, and then I had a piece of felt that I also painted orange to match. I glued the snowmen onto the bottom of the coconut for feet. Then I had eyes, cut the posts off, and I had some fake flowers, which I glued onto the top as a plume, glued on the eyes, cut a diamond out of the felt, glued it on as a beak, added some feathers, tail feathers, little feathers around the feet, and there you have it, my Easter chick. These final projects are a set. I used heat transfer vinyl. I created a bunny design and cut it out of heat transfer vinyl. The first project I did was on a wood round, which could be either used as a coaster or it could be an ornament. And I added the different colors of vinyl, and it turned out super cute. Then I did a pillowcase, and I started again with the bunny, then the leaves, and then I did the pink flowers. Also cute. And then I decided to try it on a piece of paper to make artwork. So I used white cardstock, added the black bunny, the green leaves, and the pink flowers. It worked great on all the different materials, and it created a perfect set. If you want to see more Easter crafts, be sure to check out this video. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye!